This will surprise no one, but I love creating content for YouTube. Sure, it can be stressful, trying to come up with new topic ideas, finding the time to film and edit, the effort it takes to promote my videos, but it's hugely enjoyable. Creating, filming, connecting with my audience is a lot of fun. Now, I'm guessing that you can relate, but here's the thing. Creating for YouTube needs to be more than just fun. When you're investing so much time, effort, and potentially money into your channel, it needs to actually work for you. It needs to get more clients. So I'm guessing that you can relate to that too. And if you can, this video is definitely for you because I'm sharing my simple 3-step formula that you need if you want to be sure of increasing the number of clients that your YouTube channel brings in. Now, spoiler alert, step number 3 was a complete game changer for me. But first, step number 1, it's about attracting. So the best way to find clients on YouTube is to make sure that in the first place you're attracting the right people. And how do you do that? Well, it's by picking a niche. So say you're a VA who specializes in helping coaches get more organized and create more time by having more efficient processes in their business. Well, you should be thinking about creating videos with that audience in mind. So for example, what tips could you share right now that busy coaches could use to immediately make their lives easier? Now, I know that you're giving away a few of your secrets, but when people realize that they need a lot more help than they can get from a YouTube video, they'll know that you're the right person to call because they've already tried and tested your expert advice and they've got to know you on video. Now, whatever industry you work in, whoever you serve in your business, make sure your content is specifically tailored to the kind of people that you want to work with. Step 2 is all about connection. So video is absolutely amazing for building connections. Yes, people will get a great sense of you and your business via blog posts, your website and your social media, but for giving your audience a true sense of what you're all about, nothing beats video. Now, of course, the more time people spend watching you, the more they come to understand your personality and your values, the more they get to like you, the more they come to trust you. And these are all vital factors in encouraging people to take the steps from interested viewer to paying client. So when you're creating a YouTube content, have a think about how you're coming across, how you're providing value to the right people, and what you can do to increase that sense of connection that you're trying to cultivate with your audience. So you've attracted the right audience now. They're beginning to fall for your undeniable charms and your excellent advice. And so how do you encourage them now to take the final step to become a client? Well, stay tuned for step 3, the final piece of this puzzle, and that's to convert. So I would be lying if I said that steps 1 and 2 were enough to net you a shiny new client. It could happen, and it does, but generally speaking, it takes more than an incredible YouTube video to get people to actually pick up the phone and hire you. But here is what your incredible YouTube video can do. It can get people who are watching your videos into your sales funnel, where you can then hit step 3 of this process, which is convert. So what might that look like? Well, ideally, you want to use your videos to get the right people onto your email list. And from there, you can provide them with the information they need to take the next step and hire you. So for example, you could let them know about current offers, upcoming product launches, or the best ways of working with you. So you can create lead magnets which are related to your YouTube content. So for example, for me, I use my 50 ways to explode your YouTube lead magnet to increase my email subscribers, and it's been a total game changer for my business. Whatever lead magnet you decide to create, you can then use your videos to tell people how to download it in exchange for their email address. Now, of course, the next step in your funnel doesn't have to lead to your email list. You can encourage your audience to follow you on social media so they can get to know you better, check out your website or join your Facebook group, whatever works for you and how you've set up your sales funnel. Either way, it's basically about getting people to book a call with you, but it's a pretty big call to action. But if you encourage them onto your email list first or into your Facebook group, for example, it's infinitely more achievable and a great way of getting people to the point where they'll be then ready to convert from viewer to client. Now, it's great that you're enjoying creating content and making connections via your YouTube channel, but with a few tweaks, I'm 100% confident that you'll be able to use your videos to level up your actual client list too. And don't forget, you can sign up for my 50 ways to explode your YouTube channel using the link in the description below.